In this part we continue the work, and now I show you how to join two motifs together. This is the first completed motif. This is the second one, and I didn't finish it. I left last round of this motif. I will crochet the last round and show you how to connect two pieces. Let's begin. I put two motifs together. I put their backs like this. The current motif that is not finished is closer to me. I will begin from the corner. I did 3 chains and single crochet into the stitch, and now into the ring I'm looking for the middle chain stitch. Make single crochet. The first joining point is ready. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Chain of 2. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet. Chain of 2. Make double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, 3. Pull through. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into the 5 chain space. Make single crochet. Chain of 2. Insert the hook into the top of the stitches. Make single crochet. Then make a chain. Take the first motif. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet, chain. Insert the hook into this chain space. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have done the half of the joining points. I have done 4 joining points. 1, 2, 3, 4. We continue the work in the same way. Now make a chain. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Make single crochet, chain. Make single crochet into the top of the stitches. Chain of 2. Insert the hook into the chain space of the first motif. Well done. Chain of 2. Make double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, and pull through. Chain of 2. Make single crochet, chain of 2, make single crochet. Let's make the last joining point. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch. Make single crochet. Chain of 3. And make a slip stitch. The joining is ready. The one side is done. Let's look at my side. And while making the last round, I showed you how to join 2 motifs together. Then you just need to finish the second side. And now I show you how to join my current motif to another 3. As you can see, I have already joined 3 motifs together. As you can see, all 3 motifs have the middle joining point. Here it is. This is the first one. The second and the third and the fourth will be joined to the first one. As you can see, I didn't finish my current motif. I began the first side and I will crochet the second, the third and the fourth side in this current motif. Let's begin. As we did before, I take their backs together. Now I show you how to join the second side. I did 3 chains. And now I show you how to make the first joining point. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make single crochet, chain of 3, and make the picot. Well done. Then chain of 2. Let's make the next joining point. Insert the hook into the 5 chain space. Make single crochet. Then chain of 2. Continue working on the 4th motif. Make double crochet 3 together. I'm working with these stitches. And let's crochet. First one, the second one, the third one, and pull through. Chain of 2. Insert the hook into the next chain space and make single crochet. Well done. Then chain of 2. Make single crochet into the top of the stitches. Well done. Make a chain. Let's crochet the next joining point. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet. Chain. Make 5 single crochet into this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stop and look what we have. I have done the half of the side. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this side by yourself. Then I show you how to crochet the middle joining point. Now let's continue. Chain, insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet, chain, insert the hook into the top of the stitches, make single crochet, chain of 2, let's join, insert the hook into the next chain space of the completed motif, make single crochet, chain of 2, make double crochet 3 together, work with 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and pull through, chain of 2. Now insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet, chain of 2, make single crochet into the treble crochet of the previous round, make chain of 3, and let's stop and look. Now I show you the middle joining point. I have done the second side. This is the first motif. The second and the third was joined into this stitch. And now I show you how to connect to this chain stitch. I did 3 chains. I take back side. Now I'm looking for the middle chain. Insert the hook into this chain stitch, make single crochet. The middle joining point is ready. Chain of 3. And work a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Let's stop and look at the second side of the current motif. I remind you, all 3 motifs was joined to the first one. Then I'm working with the third side. Continue. Make chain of 2. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Make single crochet. Chain of 2. Make double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, 3. Pull through, chain of 2. Insert the hook into the next chain space and make a single crochet. Chain of 2. Insert the hook into the top of the stitches, make single crochet, chain, insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet, chain, continue working on the current motif. Work with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Make single crochet, chain. Insert the hook into the top of the stitches, make single crochet. Chain of 2. Make single crochet into the 5 chain space. 2 chains. Continue working on the fourth motif. Make 3 double crochet together. 1, 2, 3, and pull through. Chain of 2. Let's make the joining point. Make single crochet into the chain space. Chain of 2. Make single crochet into the treble crochet of the previous round. Make chain of 3. Let's make the last joining point. Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch. Make single crochet. I crochet 3 chains and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. I have done 2 sides of my current motif. This is the fourth motif. I will begin from this side, then continue working on this side. Then you should crochet the last side of this motif. I have done the fourth motif. Here how it looks. Today we have learned how to crochet square motif with branch pattern and joined them together in large piece of work. As you remember, all full motifs has the middle joining point. Here it is. This is the first one. The second, the third and the fourth motif was joined to the first one. This is the front side. Let's take a look at the back side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us in social media. Please write comment below the video. Thanks for watching.